Hi and welcome to MATH1208 Math Foundations. In this short video we'll talk about two things. First, how to succeed in this course, and second, how to use the course. There are 4 keys to success in this online course. 1. Work on the course every day. Just like with a classroom course, you need to go to class every day and do your homework every day, or it's hard to pass. It's not that this course is difficult, but there is a lot of it, and it would be very hard if you just try to do a marathon session once a week or every now and then. 2. Do the lessons and practice exercises as many times as you need to master the content and get a good mark. The lessons and practice exercises in this course count for grades, but you can do them as many times as you want to improve your knowledge or your grade. 3. Hand in your assignments on time. You will find a course schedule under Start Here in the course. Make note of the due dates and be familiar with the late policy for late assignments. 4. Ask for help when you need it. If there are things you don't understand or can't figure out, or you just aren't sure what to do, that's what the instructor's here for. Often students will wait until the last week or even until the course is over and then say, "What can I do to pass?" But that's too late. The instructor will mark your work and monitor your progress and may reach out if you seem to be having trouble, but sometimes we don't know, so ask. How to use this course. The appearance of the course might change a little bit from what I'm about to show you because of system changes. However, the basic organization and layout will remain the same. To the left on the home screen are course announcements. Across the top is the course menu. To the right on the home page is the content browser. Let's start by clicking Start Here. It contains this welcome video and the course schedule, which is extremely important. You need to refer to the course schedule often because it contains all the dates for when you should be working on modules and when assignments are due. Under Start Here, you will also find the course outline and instructor contact information. How to get help includes a number of useful links, including links to the Brightspace YouTube channel for help videos on how to use Brightspace, the IT Help Desk, NBCC Counseling and Wellbeing Services, NBCC Policies, and more. Now this course is divided into modules, and each one is organized exactly the same way. They all begin with a think about it, and in this module, which tell you what you're going to learn. Then we have lessons and practice. Each module is divided into a number of lessons and practice exercises. These are kind of like going to class and then doing your homework. Let's look at the first lesson. It may open automatically, or you might have to click on an Open in a New Window button. The lessons present the information. There will be videos and text. If you want to hear the text on the screen read to you, then click the play button at the bottom of each screen. Use the next and back arrows to navigate. There are also questions. Choose the correct answer and then click Submit or Next. Remember, in this course you get marks for the learning process as well as for assignments and the exam, so the lessons count for marks. At the end of the module, you'll find a review page containing a downloadable printable summary of the lesson, and then you'll see your score. Click the X to close the window. To review the lesson or improve your score, you can do the lesson again. Once you've completed and mastered the lesson, then it's time for the practice exercise. The practice exercises are online quizzes. They generally contain 10 to 15 questions, and they also count for marks, and you can do them as many times as you want. However, every time you do a practice exercise, the questions will be in a different order, and you will only see one question per screen. So that's the basic format of each module. The modules are made up of lessons. Each lesson is followed by a practice exercise. You can do them as many times as you want to improve your learning and your score. And you should probably do 1 or 2 lessons every day. When you've completed the lessons, Then it's time for the assignment. Now the assignment may not appear until you've completed all the practice exercises in the module. If you've done all the practice exercises and you still don't see the assignment, contact your instructor. So the assignment is different because you don't do it online and you only have one attempt. We have the assignment available in two different formats, PDF and Word. You can click on either one and then download and print it. And then you're going to complete it with a pencil or a pen. You can use extra paper if you need to, but make sure you number your questions carefully so the instructors know which questions are which. If the assignment says to show your work, then show your work. In some cases, when the assignments ask you to show your work, the correct answer is only worth half or even a third of the mark. After all, these are just made-up questions, right? So when we're evaluating, what we're evaluating isn't the answers, it's the math. When you complete the assignment, scan it as a PDF and upload it to the assignment Dropbox. If you don't have a scanner, there are free scanner apps available for most smartphones. The last thing in each module is Speedy Feedback, which is just 3 quick questions so we can know how you're making out and if there are areas where we could help or things we need to improve in the course. Finally, when you get to the end of the course, there will be an exam. Depending on the settings in the course, you may not see the exam until after you've submitted all assignments. The exam is done completely online. You only get one attempt and you can only open it once. Exam questions are drawn randomly from practice questions throughout the course, so every exam is different. As you can see, this course contains a lot of activities, but it's very straightforward and provides a review of the math foundations that are used in trades and in everyday life.